Okay, you're probably wondering if this is even a polynomial expression, and I'm here to tell you it is. Now, all of the rules that we talked about for polynomials, those rules had to do with exponents. Yeah, not coefficients. This square root of 3 is perfectly fine as a coefficient. You can't have the square root of a variable. Exactly right. So this -4/3 is fine for a coefficient, not as an exponent. Yeah, and this 7.2 is not a whole number, but as long as it's not an exponent, we are good to go. Okay? Okay. First vocabulary word. Okay. First vocabulary word, the degree. Now, you might see the word order used, but degree and order mean the same thing when we're talking about polynomials. So what this says is the highest sum of the exponents of each term in a polynomial. So let's start with the sum of the exponents of each term. This is one term. Let's add up the exponents of this term. Now here's a 2, what's here? A 1, and when I add that 2 and that 1 together, the degree or order for this term is 3. Exactly right. Now we're going to do the same thing for each term going down the line. Exactly right. Exponents? Yeah, sum of those exponents. Good, good, good. Now at the last one, any variables, any exponents at all? Nah. So the highest sum. What's the highest sum here? 3. Exactly right, which makes this a third degree or a third order polynomial. Now, when we get to talking about even and odd polynomials, that's what they're talking about. Yeah, if it's a third degree, that's an odd number. Let's make this an odd polynomial. Yeah, exactly right. Let's get another one up here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, good. So polynomial, all of the exponents are whole positive numbers. Yeah, let's talk about the degree then. Exponent here? Yeah, which makes the sum for that term. Yeah. What about the next term? Sum for that term? Yeah. And then the last term, sum? Good. Now remember, we just take the highest one. So the highest sum is good, which makes this a fourth degree even polynomial function. Yeah, that's exactly right. Which brings us to the last vocabulary word for polynomials for now. Yeah, standard form. Now, when writing polynomials, when you're asked to write them in standard form, this is what they mean. They mean the highest order or the highest degree first. So this is technically out of order. The term with the highest order is this, so this should be written first. Now remember, this negative sign comes along with that 3, so when I reorder it, it'll look like this. Okay, good, but this degree should be in decreasing order, so shouldn't this one be in front of this one? Good. Remember that negative belongs to the 4, so now when I have them in decreasing order of degree, there we go. Now when it's written in standard form, this very first number, this leading coefficient, you know what it's called? It's called the leading coefficient. I'm gonna leave you right there, man. Thank you for watching this, man. I hope it helps. Check me out for some more next time. Okay.